So, Dentolyn is a daily oral health supplement marketed to support healthier gums, stronger teeth, fresher breath, and a balanced oral microbiome. The formula reportedly contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, iodine, xylitol, chlorella, and clinoptilolite zeolite, but the marketing makes the product sound more proven than it actually is. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't tell you is that there are no clinical trials showing that Dentolyn itself can prevent or reverse dental disease. Research on individual ingredients doesn't automatically prove that the finished supplement will deliver the same results. I'd also be careful with the FDA-approved language appearing on some Dentolyn marketing. Dietary supplements aren't generally FDA-approved before they're sold, and an FDA-registered manufacturing facility is not the same thing as FDA approval of the finished product. So, is Dentolyn worth buying? It may provide nutritional support, but I wouldn't use it as a replacement for brushing, flossing, or professional dental treatment. Overall, the formula has some recognizable ingredients, but the stronger claims need to be viewed cautiously. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.